Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter power boost full hybrid engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the trailer tow package, as well as the Lariat Sport and Lariat Black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, we do have that nice dual exhaust, tow hitch of course, backup camera, the nice blacked out Ford logo. We also have the mud flap on the rear and front wheel wells, as well as that nice power boost logo, nice gripped running board, side view camera with blind spot detection. We also have front park sensing as well, 2 tow hooks as well, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look on the interior, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black perforated leather seats, plenty of door space with some leathering on the door, a B&O sound system which makes your music sound pretty nice. We have 2 cup holders there, 2 heated back seats with a 12 volt, USB and USB-C, and 110 volt right there. And lifting this down, we do have cup holders and some arm space. And of course, if you need a little extra room, you can always lift up the seats for additional storage. We also have a twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered with the same leathering we saw in the back there, but we do get the additional B&O sound system in the headrest, which is pretty nice. Plenty of door space again. We have memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, gas cap, tailgate lights and lights in general, blind spot, and your tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 94.5 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You do have your main menu, phone, media, voice, volume, and cruise control there. And looking at your main screen here, you can go through My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Continuing our look here, you have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift with your speeds right there. It's also collapsible, providing you with a fair bit more storage. Nice little slot there for storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with storage, USB and USB-C. And this does close. We do have that nice black leather wrapped center console that does fold out for a nice work surface. This does fold open too with plenty of storage. You have your rear axle lock differential, 4-wheel drive, drive modes, trailer disconnect, and pro trailer assist. Looking at your drive modes, you do get normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and rut, and all the way to the right here, you do get tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continue your look here, you have heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 12 volt, 120 volt. Clicking this open, you do get more storage and storage in the glove compartment. You do have your volume tune right there, Pro Power onboard, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction control, and you do get a fair bit of storage there as well. And looking above me, you do have your features for your twin panel moonroof, which we did see earlier, and we do have a garage door opener transmitter. You do got your main screen here, which is Sirius XM capable, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You do have your phone right there, navigation of course, your Fave app, which you can set from here, such as your messaging, Pro Power onboard, your Wi-Fi, any apps you may have downloaded. There's your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, settings, and your features of the vehicle, such as driving assist, Pro Power onboard, zone lighting, power flow, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC78694, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.